Hello everyone. Hi. Today we are going to solve the previous year paper of JNU CEEB of the year, the questions of the year 2013. So this is the 9th class of solving previous year papers of JNU CEEB. Okay, so let's see who are with me today. Who are with me today? Please tell me. Guys, who are with me today? Please reply. Who are with me today? This is the 9th class of solving previous year papers of JNU CEEB. Right? So, tell me who are with me today. In the previous live classes, we have solved the questions, the portion of the questions of the year 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015, 2013, portion of 2013 and 2012. Okay, so here we are going to solve another portion of the questions which came in 2013. So tell me who are today with me, who are going to solve together with me the questions of the year 2013. Who are going to solve? Please tell me. Who are going to solve today with me the questions which came in 2013. The questions which came in the year 2013. Okay, who are going to solve? Tell me who are going to solve. This is our 9th class, and in the previous classes we solved the questions which came in 2018, in the year 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015, 2013 and 2012. Okay, and here in this class we are going to solve another portion of the year 2013. And if you have not watched the previous classes, then you can watch them. You can find them in the playlist GAT-B 2020. Okay, so tell me who are with me today. Okay, hi Shaguto. Okay, so anyone else today? Should I start? So in this class, we are going to solve the questions which came in the year 2013. Okay, and in the previous classes, you can find the previous classes in the playlist GAT-B 2020. Okay, so tell me who are with me except Shaguto, and I'll start the class. I'll go to the first question today. Okay, so should I go to the first question? I think I should. So let's go to the first question. Let's see the first question. So here is our first question. The de Broglie wavelength of an electron moving with a velocity 5.3 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second is option A 0.0137 angstrom, option B 0.137 angstrom, option C 1.37 angstrom, option D 13.7 angstrom. And given is mass of electron, as we all know that it is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and Planck's constant is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Okay, so tell me if you can solve this question. This is very easy. If you remember the formula for de Broglie wavelength, if you remember what was de Broglie wavelength of an electron, then you can very easily solve this question. So tell me if you can solve this question and tell me what is the correct answer for this question. Okay, and in the meantime, please share the link of this live class with your friends so that they also can join us. Okay, so tell me what is the correct option here. What is the correct answer for this question? What is the correct answer for this question? Is it option A or B or C or D? Which is the correct option for this question? Okay, so tell me, can you solve it? Should I wait for your answers or should I proceed? Should I wait for your answers or should I proceed to the solution? It is very easy. It is a very easy question, right? So tell me which is the correct option here. Is it A or B or C or D? Is it A or B or C or D? Okay, Shagota, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for your answer. So tell me which is the correct option for this question. And in the meantime, please share the link of this class with your friends so that they also can join us. Okay? And if anyone is new here, if you are a new viewer today, then please share the link. Please subscribe our channel first. Please subscribe our channel first because if you subscribe our channel, then you can get all the updates of the live classes and the videos I upload. Okay, so and if you like today's class, if you were if you enjoyed today's class, then please share this video with your friends also so that they also can join us and uh, they can get help in their studies. Okay, so okay, Shaguto gave his answer and it is option A, 0.0137 angstrom. Okay, so let's solve it. So here we have the formula for de Broglie wavelength. What was the formula for de Broglie wavelength, right? It is lambda d equal, as we used this formula in the previous class also, right? So you can see here that these questions are quite common, these topics are quite common, right? So the formula for de Broglie wavelength is lambda d equal h by p, right? Where this is the de Broglie wavelength, right? And this is the Planck's constant, right? This is the momentum, right? And it is de Broglie's wavelength, right? So now what is P? P is simply m times v, right? Where m is the mass of electron. Now we know that the mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, and it is given also. So if we put the value, that is Planck's constant, 6.6 times 10 to the power minus 34 divided by m, that is 9.1 times 10 to the power minus 31 times v, that is 5.3 into 10 to the power 6. 5.3 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. So since all these are given in SI units, so we don't need to convert anything. So simply by calculation, simply if we calculate it, we can get it as 0.0 0.0137 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, that is 0.0137 Armstrong. Okay, why Armstrong? Because 10 to the power minus 10 meter is Armstrong, right? So 0.0137 Armstrong is our correct answer. That is, our correct answer is option A, 0.0137 Armstrong. Okay, so Shagota, you are right. It is option A. Okay, so let's go to the next question. So here is our next question. The number of nitrogen molecules in a 1 liter flask at 27 degrees Celsius and 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter of Hg pressure is option A 2.4 into 10 to the power 17, option B 2.4 into 10 to the power 15, option C 4.5 into 10 to the power 17, option D 4.5 into 10 to the power 15. Okay, so tell me if you can solve this. Tell me if you can solve this, and what is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so should I wait for your answers? Can you solve it? Can you solve it? Do you remember the formula? Do you remember the concept underlying this concept behind it? So, should I wait or not? Can you solve it? Should I wait? Okay, I'm waiting for your answer, for your reply, that you can try it or not. And in the meantime, please share the link of this live class with your friends so that they also can join us and try these questions, which can be really helpful to your friends also who are preparing for GAT-B 2020 or 21 and another competitive exams on biotechnology, where these questions are quite common, these topics are quite common. Okay, and for at least for JNU CEEB or now GAT-B exams, so you can see that these topics are quite repetitive, and these topics are quite common. And if you see the previous year questions, you can find that sometimes the questions are repeated. Okay, sometimes the questions are repeated. I'll show you some questions like that, and you can see that these questions are quite repetitive. Okay, so okay, Shagota, I'm not waiting, and starting to solve this question. Okay, let's solve it. First of all, here you are asked to find the number of nitrogen molecules in 1 liter flask, and the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and the pressure is 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter of Ag, right? Okay, so first of all, to find the number of nitrogen molecules, what we need, see here no pressure or temperature or volume change is mentioned, right? But but what is mentioned? Mentioned is the number of nitrogen molecules. The number is not given, but we need to find the number of nitrogen molecules, right? Now, what is the number? What number is known to us, right? Avogadro number, right? Avogadro number. Now, this Avogadro number molecules is present in which temperature, pressure, and volume? in STP, right? In STP or NTP, whatever you say, right? Now, so if we consider STP or NTP as you said, so there the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, or we can add it to 273, that is 273 Kelvin, right? And pressure is 76 millimeter of centimeter of Hg, right? That is 760 millimeter of Hg, right? And volume is 22.4 liter, right? And we have the number of molecules as Na, that is Avogadro number, right? Now what is Avogadro number? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, right? And these are the set of informations, and another set of information is we have T2 as 27 degrees Celsius, that is plus 273, that is 300 Kelvin, right? P2 is 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter of Hg, and V2 is 1 liter, and we need to find this N2, right? We need to find this N2. Now, what is the formula for solving this question? What was the formula? We all know, I hope we all know, this PV equal nRT. This is the basic formula for kinetic theory of gases, right? So this is the basic formula, PV equal nRT. Now here P is the pressure, V is the volume, R is our constant, right? And T is the temperature, and N is the number of moles, right? Number of moles. Now for that we can use here the Na, right? Avogadro number. So if we use this, now here R is constant, right? Gas constant, we all know. So we can use this formula, P1 V1 by N1 T1 equal P2 V2 by N2 T2, right? Now from this we can get N2 as P2 V2 by T2 times P2 V2 by T2 times N1 T1 by P1 V1, right? This is our we get from this here, from this formula, right? We can get it. So if we put the values then we get P2. What is P2? 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 3, right? V2. Now if you can be confused of in which unit we have to we should convert them, right? See, here it is the ratio of P2 and P1, V2 and V1, T1 and T2. That is, when we are considering the ratio, then unit doesn't matter. That is, we have to convert them in the same unit. Okay, if it is if they are in centimeter or millimeter, it doesn't matter, but they should be in the same unit. That is, we need to convert them. That is, we cannot use here 76 centimeter of Hg. We need to convert them in 760 millimeter of Hg, right? So we need to use the same unit for both of them. That is, P1 should be in millimeter or centimeter, and P2 should be in the same unit. So here we have considered in millimeter of Hg. Okay, so let's put it V2. So 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 P2. V2 is 1 liter. 1 liter times N1 is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 times T1 is now 273 divided by T2. What is T2? T2 is 300. P1 is 760 times V1 is 22.4, right? So from this, if we calculate these things, we can get it as 0.24 times 10 to the power 18. 0.24 times 10 to the power 18. That is equal 2.4 times 10 to the power 17. 2.4 times 10 to the power 17. That is our correct answer is option A. Our correct answer is option A, 2.4 into 10 to the power 17. So this question looks very simple, but it is simple. It is not very complicated, but it is it needs some calculation. So, but it is a very simple question. Okay, you need to remember, you need to keep in mind that you should use the same unit, that is whatever you use for P1 you should use for P2, and whatever you use for V2 you should use for V1. We cannot use different units because we are taking ratios of them, right? So okay, so let's go to the next question, right? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Do you have any doubt regarding this solution? Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Please tell me. If you have any doubt, please tell me. If you have any doubt, please tell me. If you have any doubt, please tell me. Or should I go to the next question? Okay, so let's go to the next question. So here is our next question. If the 2 by 2 matrix A equal 3214 and 2A plus 3B equals 0152, the matrix 0152, then B is equal to option A matrix -2 -1 1 -2, option B matrix 2 1 1 -2, option C matrix 2 1 1 2, option D matrix 2 -1 1 -2. So tell me if you can solve this question. It is again a very easy question. So tell me if you can solve this question. It is a very easy question. Very easy question. So tell me if you can solve this question. See, matrix is again, matrix and determinant is again two topics which are quite common in GAT-B or JNU CEEB. That is this an entrance exam. You can find a lot of questions coming from these two topics, that is matrix and determinant. These two topics are quite common and very important for uh, uh, GAT-B exam. Okay, so tell me if you can solve this question, if you can answer this, and tell me which is the correct option for this question. So should I wait for your answers? Should I wait for your answers? Or should I start solving this question? Should I start solving this question or should I wait for your answers? This is a quite easy question, very easy question. This is a very easy question. So should I start solving this or should I wait for your answers? Should I wait for your answers? Okay, I think I should start, right? Okay, in the meantime, again, I'm asking you to share the link of this live class with your friends so that they also can join us. Okay? Okay. So, let's start. So, here given is A equal matrix 3, 2, 1, 4, right? And twice A plus thrice B. Twice A plus thrice B is 0, 1, 5, 2, right? So simply, what is B? B is simply nothing else than 0, 1, matrix 0, 1, 5, 2 minus twice A, right? And 1 by 3 of this, right? That is simply taking twice A this side and dividing it by 3, right? Sorry, 1 by 3 and taking it common. Okay, so what is twice A? Twice A simply 2 times A means 2 times 3, 2, 1, 4, that is 6, 4, 2, 8. 6, 4, 2, 8. Right now, simply take the minus of it. 0, 1, 5, 2 minus 6, 4, 2, 8. And it becomes if we subtract 0 minus 6, okay, so it becomes minus 6, 1 minus 4, that means minus 3, 5 minus 2, 3, 2 minus 8 minus 6. Okay, so if we divide each component by 3, then it becomes minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, minus 2, minus 1, 1, minus 2. That means it is option A. It is option A. Minus 2, minus 1, 1, minus 2. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt, anyone? Yes, Shagutta, it is option A, minus 2, minus 1, 1, minus 2. Okay, so should I go to the next question? Any doubt, anyone? Anyone, any doubt? Should I go to the next question? Okay, let's go to the next question. So here is our next question. The values of A and B such that the function defined by fx equal 5 for x less than equal to ax plus b for 2 less than x less than 10, 21 for x greater than equal 10 is continuous are option A 2 and 1 respectively, that is value of A is 2 and B is 1. Option B minus 2 and minus 1 respectively. Option C 1 and 2 respectively. And option D minus 2 and 1 respectively. Okay, so tell me which one is the correct answer. Tell me if you can solve this question and which is the correct answer for this question. Which is the correct answer for this question? Is it A or B or C or D? Is it A or B or C or D? So tell me if you can solve this question. Can you solve this question? Tell me if you can solve this question or not. And in the meantime, again I am asking you to share the link of this class with your friends who are preparing for GAT-B this year or in the next year, so that they can get help. They can get help for their studies, for their preparation from these classes. Okay, so so tell me, should I wait or not? Okay, Shakoto. So you cannot solve it, and I should start. So see now now first of all, let's draw the problem. Let's draw the problem. That is, see, if it is the x-axis and it is the y-axis, or we can write it as fx-axis. Okay, then suppose this is our 2, this is our 10, x equal 2 and x equal 10. Okay, so for x equal 2, what is the value of fx? Fx is 5, right? It is 5. And for the value of 10, how much is fx? Fx is 21, right? So for fx, so we have fx equal, for f2, 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 f2 is 5, and for x equal 10, it is 21, right? So this point and this point, right? So for less than equal to, that is this thing, for all the values which are less than 2, we have fx as 5. Okay, and for all the values which are greater than 10, we have fx as 21. That is, for all the values which are greater than 10, we have 21. So in this region, okay, it should be continuous. In this region, it should be continuous. That is for the values which are in the range 2 to 10. So for being continuous, see, for being continuous, the value of fx at 2 or 2 and the value of 10 should be continuous. That means this line, right, for being continuous, this is only the line which can join these 2 points. Okay, and this is a continuous curve. No discontinuity is here. So for that, if we use f2 here, f2, okay, a times x means 2 plus b equal, what is it? Equal 5 we get, right? And again f10, use this for f10, 10, x equal 10. So a times 10 plus b equal, what is it? 21. It is 21. So if we solve this, if we solve these two equations, what we get? We get, just simply take the minus, that is 10a plus b equal 21 and twice a plus b equal 5. Simply minus minus minus, and we get 8a equal 16 and we get a equal 2. And from there we get, if we put equal to in this equation, we get b equal 5 minus 2 times 2, that is 1. Okay, so a is 2 and b is 1. That is our correct answer is option A. Option A. A2, A2 and B1 respectively. Okay, so please tell me if you have any doubt. Please tell me if it is clear to you or not. So is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Do you have any doubt regarding this solution? Do you have any doubt regarding this solution or not? Is it clear to you or not? Do you have any doubt? Is it clear to you? Please tell me. Is it clear to everyone? Please tell me. Is it clear to everyone? Please tell me. So should I go to the next question? Is it clear to everyone? Should I continue solving the questions? Should I continue or not? Okay, I think I should go to the next question, right? Oh, okay. I should repeat, right? Okay, see here. Okay, see. We have three values of, or three sub-values of fx. First, let's change the color of the pen. Okay, see, not black, green. Okay, so we have three values, or three subparts of fx. That is for x less than 2. X less than 2. That is for this portion. Okay, when x is, the value of x is less than 2, that is 0, 1, 2. Okay, how much is fx? Fx is 5. Fx is 5. That is this one. Okay, and for x greater than equal 10, that is for x equal 10, that is this point, or greater than 10, that is for 11, 12, 13 and so on, it is 21. This is fx is 21. Okay, and for this portion, what, how much is fx? Fx depends on x as ax plus b. Okay, fx depends on x as ax plus b. Okay, so here at this point, okay, the value of fx is for being a continuous function. What is continuous? This is a continuous line. Okay, if there is a break, that is here, this is a curve, then here is a curve, then here is a curve, or here is a break, here is a break, here is a break. This is not a continuous function. This is a discontinuous curve or discontinuous function, right? Now, which is the continuous function? This is a continuous function, a continuous line. So, for being a continuous function or continuous curve or continuous line, okay, continuous graph, okay, so the value of this before and after 2, the value of fx before x equal to and after x equal to should be same, right? That is f of x equal ax plus b equal 5 for x equal 2, and f of x at x equal 10. Same for this point. Same for this point. Okay, that is at x equal 10. The value of fx for exactly before x equal 10 and after x equal 10 should be continuous. This point should be continuous, right? The value of fx at this point should be continuous, that is fx at x equal 10 equal ax plus b equal 21. That is at x equal 10, x plus b equal 21. Okay, and from these two equations, x plus b equal 5 and x plus b equal 21. Now just put a times x, means here x means 2, right? A times 2 plus b equal 5 and a times 10 plus b equal 21. Okay, from these two equations we can solve a and b. Now is it clear now or not? Should I repeat again? Is it clear to you? See, the discontinuity lies here. If I go to the next page, the discontinuity will lie at these 2 points. If it is fx and this is x, if it is x equal 2 and it is x equal 10, it is 5, fx is 5 and here 21, that is this. Okay, so this continuity lies at these 2 points. Okay, whatever is here we don't need it. Okay, whatever this curve or whatever a straight line, a curvature in this pattern, whatever is the line, whatever it cannot be, it can't happen, whatever, but whatever is the line, okay, whatever is the pattern of the curve, okay, it doesn't matter in our question. The matter is what is here and here. Okay, that is we need these 2 points to be continuous. That is whatever here after x equal 10 is exactly after x equal 10 is equal before x equal 10. Okay, and similarly for x equal 2, whatever before x equal 2 is after x equal 2. Okay, for fx. Okay, then only it is a continuous function or a continuous graph or continuous curve, whatever you say. Okay, so from this logic, simply from this logic we can solve it, and by solving these two equations we can solve the we can find the values of a and b. So is it clear now? Okay, so let's go to the next question. So here is our next question. The value of x such that the vectors I cap plus j cap and 3 I cap plus x j cap are perpendicular is option A 9, option B 1, option C -1, option D -3. Okay, so tell me which is the correct option for this question. Tell me if you can solve this or not. Should I wait for your answers or not? Should I wait for your answers or not? Can you solve this? Can you solve this question? It is again a quite easy question. Very easy. Matter of a few minutes or a few seconds. How much you take? So tell me if you can solve this question or not. Tell me if you can solve this question or not. And in the meantime, I should tell you or tell all my subscribers that our channel has got first 300 subscribers today, and not only got but crossed first 300 subscribers today, and thanks to you all for that. Okay, thanks to you all for that. Okay, so please keep supporting me in this way so that the channel grows, and I'll try to help you in this way, and in fact in a better way, as much I can um, try. I will try. Okay, so tell me which is the correct answer for this question. Now, which is the correct answer for this question? Okay, Shagota is saying it is option D, -3. Okay, let's solve this. So, suppose this vector, that is I cap plus j cap, is a vector. Okay, a vector is I cap plus j cap, and B vector is 3I cap plus xj cap. B vector is 3I cap plus xj cap. Okay, so if they are perpendicular, to each other, that means theta is 90 degree, right? Now if theta is 90 degree, that means cos theta is 0, right? Cos theta is 0. So if cos theta is 0, then if we use a vector dot b vector, that is dot product of these two vectors, that is equal mod of a vector times b vector, that is magnitude of a vector times magnitude of b vector, cos theta 0, that means cos 90, that is it is 0, means we have a vector dot b vector as 0, right? Now how much is a vector dot b vector? I cap plus j cap dot 3I cap plus xj cap, right? Now we know that here only existing terms are coefficient of I cap times coefficient of I, that is 1 times 3, plus coefficient of j times coefficient of j, that is 1 times x, right? That is equal 0, that is 3 plus x equals 0. That means we have x equal -3. X equal -3. Okay. So here our correct answer is option D, x equal -3. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Hi, Arish. Good evening. So, so you are late, quite late today. Where do you? Okay. So, is it clear? Tell me. Arish, Shagotu, is it clear to everyone? Please tell me. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? Should I go to the next question? So, Shagotu, your answer was correct. Okay. So, yeah, Arish, you didn't receive any notification. Why? If you have subscribed this channel, then you you must get notification. Okay, I think you should check once again if you have subscribed this channel or not. Okay, if you have not subscribed yet, then you should subscribe the channel right now so that you get notification of whenever I take live classes. Okay, so okay, and you must click on the bell icon so that you get notifications. Okay, check it once again. And let's go to the next question. So here is our next question. The maximum value that the polynomial x cube minus x can take in the interval minus 2 to is option A 2 by 3 root 3, option B 6, option C minus 2 by 3 root 3, option D none of the above. None of the above. So tell me if you can solve this question. See, this is easy but quite tricky. It is easy but quite tricky. Okay, simply observe the question very very minutely. Okay, so tell me if you can solve this question or not. Tell me if you can solve this question or not. And which is the correct answer for this question? Which is the correct answer for this question? And in the meantime, I would ask you again to share the link of this live class with your friends as soon as possible so that they also can join us. And if you are a new viewer today, then please subscribe our channel so that you get notifications of the classes, of the videos whenever I upload or whenever I come live. Okay, so tell me if you can solve this question. Should I wait or not? Can you solve this question or not? Should I wait? Should I wait or not? Should I wait or not? Should I wait or not? Okay, I think I should start, right? I should start solving, right? So, are you trying? Are you trying to solve this question? Okay, I should mention again that if you have not seen the previous videos, previous live classes, if you have not attended, then please please watch the previous videos, previous classes in the playlist GAT-B 2020. Okay, you can find them in the playlist GAT-B 2020. Okay, so let's go to the let's solve the question. Okay, so here we have the polynomial as x cube minus x, right? That is fx. We have fx as x cube minus x. Okay, and for maximum value, we must have fx as 0. Fx for I hope you all know that is for maximum or minimum we have the derivative of function as 0, that is if prime x is 0. If fx equal x cube minus x, then f prime x should be 0. So let's find what is f prime x. So if fx equal x cube minus x, then f prime x is thrice x square minus 1, right? So we have 3x square minus 1, 3x square minus 1 as 0. Okay, from here, and we get x equal x equal minus, it is not minus, plus minus 1 by root 3. Plus minus 1 by root 3. Okay. So for x equal plus minus 1 by root 3, we have the value of fx maximum or minimum. Now maximum or minimum for 1x, that is for 1x, x equal 1 by root 3. Let's see what is for x equal 1 by root 3. What is f double prime x? So let's first find what is f double prime x. F double prime x from here is 3 times 2, that is 6x, right, and 0 here, so it is 6x, right. So for x equal 1 by root 3, it is 6 times 1 by root 3, that is if it is 6 times 1 by root 3, 6 by root 3, right. And for x equal minus 1 by root 3, it is f double prime minus 1 by root 3 is 6 times minus 1 by root 3, that is minus 6 by root 3. Now which one is maximum and which one is minimum? The positive value, okay, it is positive, right, that is greater than 0, it is minimum. For x equal 1 by root 3, whatever we get, fx is minimum. The value of fx is minimum. So for x equal 1 by root 3, the value of fx is minimum. Okay, value of f of x is minimum. Okay, and for x equal minus 1 by root 3, it is negative, right, that is less than 0, that means it is the value of fx. For x equal minus 1 by root 3, the value of fx would be maximum. Okay, so let's calculate what is the value of fx at x equal minus 1 by root 3. It is minus 1 by root 3 cube. It is fx, right? This one is fx. So minus 1 by root 3 cube minus 1 by root 3, right? So it becomes minus 1 by 3 root 3 plus 1 by root 3, right? That means it becomes 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3, that is 2 by 3 root 3. 2 by 3 root 3. That is option A. Okay. But is it our correct answer? Is this the maximum value for fx? Is this the maximum value for fx? See, here the interval is starting from minus 2 and ending at 2, right? So if we put x equal 2, that is f2, okay, what we get? 2 cube minus 2, that is 8 minus 2, that is equal 6, right? Then we should have the maximum value as 6, right? For x equal 2, we should have the correct answer as 6. We don't need to calculate so much, and the correct answer should be 6. But no, it is not 6. It is option A, 2 by 3 root 3. We need to calculate so much. We need these calculations here. We cannot find the maximum value by putting x equal 2 here simply. Then it was not a question for JNU CEEB, right? It was not not a question for JNU CEEB. See here, what is the trick? See the brackets. See the type of brackets. It is not this. That is not third bracket minus 2 comma 2 third bracket. It is not this. It is third bracket minus 2 comma 2 first bracket. Okay. That means our interval is, it implies x is value of x is starting from, that is minus 2 is less than equal x is less than 2. You remember the concept of open and closed intervals? Here you need the concept of open and closed intervals. Okay, here we need the concept of open and closed intervals. Yes, Aryash, here the interval is very important. Here the interval is very important because generally students think that the maximum value should be for x equal to, that is this value, right? X equal to. If we put x equal to 2 and if we put it here in this fx, then we get fx, that is f2 equal 6. This thing, right? But it is not 6. It is not 6. Okay, it is not 6. It is the trick to confuse you, make you confused. Okay, it is the trick to make you confused. Okay, you must not be confused by these tricks. See, here it is a first bracket. It is a first bracket. Here it is a first bracket. Okay, it is this. It is not third bracket. If there was a third bracket, then it should be less than or equal to. That is, then the maximum value should be 6. But here the bracket is not third bracket, it is first bracket. So the answer is option A, 2 by 3 root 3. The process we have done. Okay, is it clear now, everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Please tell me. Do you have any doubt? Is it clear, everyone? Please tell me. Is it clear? Okay, Arish and others, Shagoto and others, please tell me. Is it clear? Should I go to the next question? Should I go to the next question? Is it clear to everyone now? Please tell me. Is it clear? Okay, let's go to the next question. So here is our next question. Let alpha and beta be the roots of x square plus ax plus b equals 0. Then alpha square comma beta square are the roots of option A, x square plus 2b minus a square x plus b square equals 0. Option B, x square plus a square x plus b square equals 0. Option C, x square minus a square x plus b square equals 0. Option D, x square plus 2bx plus b square equals 0. Okay, so tell me if you can solve this question or not. Here you need to remember the formulae, right? Here you need to remember the formulae or simply the form of the equation the form of the equation where the roots are taken, right? So tell me if you remember the formulae, if you remember the forms or not. If you remember the forms or not. Tell me if you remember the forms or not. Should I wait for your answers? Should I wait for your answers or not? Should I wait for your answers or not? Can you solve this question? Can you solve this question? Do you remember the formulae? Okay, and in the meantime, I would again ask you to share the link of this live class with your friends so that they also can join us. And if you like this class, if you are enjoying solving this question, solving the previous year questions of JNU CEEB, then please click on the like button, and if you are a new viewer, then please subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon so that you can get updates of the live classes or videos whenever I upload or whenever I come live. Okay, so let's start solving this question. So see, what was the form? What was the form? Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. I hope all of you remember this form. And what was the formula for the roots? If the roots were alpha and beta, then alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and alpha times beta is c by a. These were the formulae. And if you don't even remember these two things, if you don't even remember these three formulae, okay, then try to remember only this: x square minus alpha plus beta. Sorry. It is not minus. I mean x square. Okay, simply cancel it. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals 0. See, from this you can get this. This is simply our form. This is the simplified form of this equation. Okay. Do you remember now? Do you remember now? See, if we use this formula, okay, if we use this equation, then see, we have alpha plus beta. Our given equation is x square plus x plus b equals 0, right? So our alpha plus beta is from these two things, this one and this one. Okay, comparing 1 and 2, our alpha plus beta is minus a and alpha beta is b. Okay, one thing, don't be confused of these two things. This is an equation and this is another equation. Here a is multiplied by x and here b is multiplied by x. Don't be confused of these ab and these ab here. Okay, don't be confused of these two things. Okay, simply keep this equation in your mind and solve this 1 and 2, these two equations. Okay, so here a equal minus a plus b, that is minus alpha plus beta, that is alpha plus beta equal minus a, and alpha beta equal b. Okay, so what is alpha square plus beta square? What is alpha square plus beta square? We know alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus twice alpha beta, right? That is a plus b. We know A plus B whole square equal A square plus B square plus twice AB. That means A square plus B square equal A plus B whole square minus twice AB, right? Simply this logic. Okay. So just put alpha plus beta equal minus A here. So minus A square minus twice alpha beta, that means B. Okay, so it becomes A square minus twice B. Okay, and if we put alpha square plus beta square equal A square minus 2B, what we get? See, for the equation which have roots alpha square and beta square, this equation becomes x square minus alpha square plus beta square times x plus alpha square beta square equals 0, right? And if we put alpha square plus beta square equal a square minus 2b, we get x square minus a square minus 2b times x plus alpha beta, that means b, that is b square equal 0. Okay, so if we simplify it, x square plus 2b minus a square x plus b square equals 0. Okay, this is our equation. This is our equation and it is equal to first. That is, our correct answer is option A, x square plus 2b minus a square times x plus b square equals 0. So tell me if you understand this or not. If you understand this or not. So all you have to remember is this formula. This formula, x square minus alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta equals 0. So if you remember this, if you remember this one, only this one, if you remember only this one, okay, where alpha and beta are the two roots of this equation, if you only remember this formula, then you can solve this kind of problems, and this kind of problems are quite common and very important. Okay, so tell me if you have any doubt. Tell me if you have any doubt. Tell me, is it clear to you or not? Is it clear to you or not? Is the solution clear to you or not? Is it clear to you or not? Do you have any doubt regarding this solution or not? Or it is clear to you? Please tell me. Please tell me. Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Okay, Shagota.